He was wanting
I
the
am
camera.
not playing that game. The monkey's coming towards us. He wanted the GoPro.
Yeah, he wanted the GoPro.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
After getting settled down in Alcadesa Marina, it was time to go out and really explore our new surroundings. La Línea de la Concepción, often referred to simply as La Línea, is a municipality of Spain belonging to the province of Cadiz. The city lies on the sandy isthmus, which is part of the eastern flank of the Bay of Gibraltar, and the city limits go all the way to the Gibraltar-Spain border to the south. La Línea has close economic and social links with Gibraltar. The people of La Línea have traditionally found work in Gibraltar from the days in the 18th century when Gibraltar was an important naval port.
We are heading up the Rock of Gibraltar.
We're going right up there today. Take two.
Take two last time. They couldn't go up because it was too windy, so the cable cars weren't going.
Oh, we finally made it to the cable car in Gibraltar, but now the winds might be too much to ride the cable car up, so we're waiting right now to see if we'll be able to catch the next cable car up the rock, or if we're going to have to find some other way up the rock.
It's not that much wind today, so that will not be the issue. Something else might be the issue, but that will not be it.
Gibraltar Airport has a unique runway. Winston Churchill Avenue, the main road heading towards the land border with Spain, intersects the airport runway and consequently has to be closed every time an aircraft lands or departs. Cars no longer cross the runway due to recent construction of a tunnel at the east end, but pedestrians, however, are still able to walk across the runway. Nestled at the southern tip of the Iberian Peninsula, Gibraltar is a British overseas territory with a rich history and a strategic location at the entrance of the Mediterranean Sea. Steeped in a blend of British and Mediterranean influences, the 6.7 square kilometer enclave is dominated by the iconic Rock of Gibraltar, a limestone formation that has witnessed centuries of historical significance. Over the years, Gibraltar has been a melting pot of cultures reflecting a mix of English and Spanish is spoken, and the vibrant local community contributes to the unique charm of this territory.
So we're finally here, huh?
Yeah. We're too early. We're the first ones here.
Morning.
Welcome to the cable car. Our ride 412 meters up to the top of the rock will take approximately 6 minutes. During your top of the rock visit, you will encounter the famous Barbary macaques. These are wild, free-roaming, tailless monkeys. They have sharp teeth and will bite if provoked. Please do not feed or attempt to touch them. Feel free to take photos, but please keep your distance. You should not take out or display any food or plastic bags, as the monkeys will grab them. You should place rucksacks at your front to protect your belongings.
You're at the top of the rock. What do you think of the view?
The view is spectacular if you can see through the fog, which you cannot. Hopefully we clear up in a few hours. Hopefully.
So you're gonna go on the skywalk, right?
Yeah.
So this is the skywalk up on top of Gibraltar, and you can't really see a whole lot.
You can't even see through there. Not quite what I thought the skywalk would be. I thought you would see more through. It's not hot.
Yeah. Definitely not hot. Yeah.
Definitely not hot.
Like an old garrison.
The batteries on the Rock of Gibraltar, dating back to the 18th century, were constructed to defend Gibraltar from potential invasions. Perched on the dramatic cliffs of the rock, these batteries house formidable artillery pieces, safeguarding the entrance to the Mediterranean Sea. Over the years, they played a crucial roles in various conflicts, including the Napoleonic Wars and World War II. St. Michael's Cave, nestled within the limestone depth of the Rock of Gibraltar, is a natural wonder that captivates visitors with its stunning geological formations. The vast limestone cavern, adorned with intricate stalactites and stalagmites, creates an otherworldly atmosphere. Renowned for its acoustics, the cave has served as a unique venue for concerts and events over the years. As one explores its chambers and passages, the play of lights on the crystalline formation enhances the beauty of this underground marvel. The Great Siege tunnels in Gibraltar are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Carved into the solid limestone of the rock during the 18th century by British military engineers, these tunnels served as a strategic defense effort against Spanish and French forces. The laborious task of creating these tunnels, done primarily by hand, reflects the determination of the defenders to withstand the prolonged siege. The network of tunnels provides shelter, storage, and a vantage point for cannons, ultimately playing a crucial role in the successful defense of Gibraltar. Today, the Great Siege Tunnel stands as a historical marvel, offering visitors a glimpse into the challenging conditions faced by those who defended this strategic outpost during a pivotal moment in its history.
I liked it a lot. It was amazing, all that work they put into that. Wow, what a tunnel. No.
Yeah.
Right?
He was wanting
I
the
am
camera.
not playing that game. The monkey's coming towards us. He wanted the GoPro.
Yeah, he wanted the GoPro, but
He was gonna jump you for that one.
yeah, he was.
Like, nope,
Nope.
not gonna happen.
Get it out of here.
Walking down castle steps.
There's more steps in front of us that we gotta go down. Anna hasn't seen them, so let's see what her reaction is when she gets here. Guess what?
But
We got more steps.
yes.
Think about it, going up all these steps before you even got to the reserve park, and then you still had all uphill to go.
Imagine living here and having people coming over. I'd be like, no, I'm not coming over to your place. Too many steps.
If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and subscribe.